Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we have a good old-fashioned skincare unboxing video. It has been months since I've sat down and filmed an unboxing video, and I'll be honest with you guys, these videos never do the best. I never get the most views on this style of video, which is probably why I stopped filming them. But the other day I was thinking, actually, there are a core of us in the skincare world that are aficionados, obsessives, connoisseurs, call it what you want, that love to just take first looks and first impressions of a whole host of new skincare products, do initial first impressions, try-ins and all that. And so, if that's you, this video is for you. Let me know if you do like this style of casual skincare unboxing chit chat. Give the video a thumbs up and a like to let me know, and leave a comment because I'm quite happy to reintroduce these into the filming schedule if that's what you guys want. But in true Mad About Skin style, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. I have quite a lot here. Normally you'll start to see quite a few of these PR packages. Some I bought myself, some are PR packages. And you'll see that a lot of the PR stuff gets sent out in October and November, around holiday season and all of that. So I expect there'll be a lot more to come. So I might film like a part 2 of this in 3 or 4 weeks time. But these videos, I've selected what I think are like my favorite brands to kind of share with you. So let's kick things off with this big package that came from iunik. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Is it cheating to have opened these before I then talk to you about them? Possibly, but can you imagine me? I am so clumsy. Can you imagine me trying to machete my way into these boxes without like severing an artery whilst filming at the same time? I'm not a multitasker, so you might think it's cheating, but honestly, for everyone's health, safety and well-being, these boxes needed to be opened before I got on and filmed. So that's my logic there. This is from iunik, which are a Korean brand. I don't have a lot of experience with iunik, to be honest. I know some of their products are firm favourites, and I've tried their Centella Calming Cream in the past. I liked it. Anyway, they reached out and said, we'd like to send you some product. What's your skin type? Now, this I love. When brands do this, I do really appreciate it because I don't like waste. I try to give away, give away or recycle as much product as possible. And so when brands say, what's your skin type? It is really good because I can say super oily, grease slick, blemish central. And I'm like, okay. And they can kind of tailor the product so there's less waste. So a big thumbs up to brands that do that. I personally appreciate it. So first of all, this cute little travel on thing, which has miniatures of their bestsellers in the whole acne oily skin range. The Centella Calming Cream, we've got moisturiser, toner, serum and sunscreen, and a blemish treatment. This actually is going to be really convenient because I'm going on holiday in early November, and whilst I don't agree with doing skincare on a plane because of all those germs and the dry air, just don't do it. You always see content creators, my skincare on a plane. Don't do it. Do it in the airport beforehand or at the hotel. In my case, I'm going from hotel to check-in to airplane. Just do a really good, robust skincare routine in the airport or in your hotel before, and that's good. Don't be applying things on planes, in my view, anyway. Sound off in the comments if you disagree. But this will be a good little travel wallet thing. I like this. I also love the fact that it's sort of plastic, so I can take this to like the beach, throwing like sunscreens, the beach. It'll get horrendously yellow and horrible by the end of the holiday, and that's okay. It's designed to just do a holiday, but yeah, I think that's going to be quite useful. And they've also sent with it some, this is their Moisture Mild Peeling Gel. I don't know if you can see that. Moisture Mild Peeling Gel. We'll have a quick look at that. And they've given some top of their gel cream and their balancing foam. So all good. I think of all of them, very appreciative of that little travel set. But this is the Moisture Mild Peeling Gel, which is supposed to have alpha hydroxy acids, fruit enzymes, 5 different fruit extracts, lime, grape, orange, apple and lemon. This could be a nice gentle exfoliator. Be careful with like fruit extracts, they can be sensitizing to some. Not to me, which is great, but yeah, so put this on. And oh yeah, it's this, oh, can you see that? It's the traditional cellulose style peeling gel. I don't know if that's coming off. It balls up, which gives some manual exfoliation. I love these. If you think the Secret Key peeling gel, this is kind of like an option like that. If you can see like this balling up that's happening here, it's supposed to do that. Actually smells divine. It smells really, really good. I am just, one second, let me just get a cloth. I should have come prepared. But I'm trying to do this video free flowing so we can just chat and it's less heavily edited and jumpy. We don't like that. We're just chatting as friends. This yeah, I'm going to keep using. I'm going to give this a solid, like, on first impressions, I'm going to give it a solid 7. I'm going to see how it actually performs in the long term. So, yeah, we'll wait and see. So that's iunik. Let's do another Korean skincare brand. This is K-Secret. So I mentioned, I always get this brand mixed up. This is K-Secret. There's another brand called Secret Key. I always get the two mixed up, so I'm very sorry to both brands, because both brands are great in their own right. So this is Secret Key, and I mentioned their collagen balm, which is amazing, absolutely divine, and you sort of slick it on the skin and it acts like Vaseline, like a slugging Vaseline and collagen boost in the same one. I'll find that video and I'll leave a link to it up there. Definitely one to check out. But this is their K-Secret collagen range. They said, oh, thanks for sharing that product. Can we send you the whole range? And I was like, yes, you can. Because if it's as good as that balm, I'm all over it. The packaging, yeah, 10 out of 10. I love this. And they do usually send, most brands will send these like information cards about their products, which I find useful. It's nice to see some of the testing that's gone in. So, for example, this is their collagen boosting sun lotion, and they put some information about the testing on there, the ingredients, and I like that. Now, let's actually see what we've got. Just put that down. So in here, we've got the collagen boosting sun lotion, the retinol, I think these are eye patches, the retinol eye patches, the ampule, which I've also tried and love. This is the balm, which, you know, I've actually ordered 2 that are coming with my own coin. So this is a great top up. And this one, I think, is the overnight mask, which is also great. So check out that collagen video if you want to know more about collagen and why applying it topically could be a good idea. Let's just try this. Should we try the sunscreen? Let's try the sunscreen. I do love that packaging. I'm a sucker for nice tissue paper. I know. It's not necessary, but I like it. So this is, let's get the information card. Right. This is the Secret Key Collagen Boosting Secret Sun Lotion, SPF 50+, PA4+, tested in 2 labs, which is good to see. 4 different innovative UV filters. These are all modern Korean, we call like Korean style filters, which is great. Light texture, glowy skin, no white cast. It's also got 56.5% hydrolyzed collagen, which is ridiculous. Is that like the first ingredient on this? It is. Wow. Okay. So if collagen works in your skincare routine as humectant, this can be the sunscreen for you. As you see, not been tried yet. This is our first impression with these little tabs that you have to pull off. Let's try it. Have I done? Oh, I've messed that up. Right, there we are. I didn't pull the tab off properly. First of all, 10 out of 10 for packaging. This is beautiful. Let's see how it actually goes on. Oh, I put a little bit too much on there. Let's just take some of that off. Work that in. I mean, it smells amazing. Let's see. I would say what is promising to be dewy, a little bit of glow. You're getting that. And it feels amazing. Yeah, okay. That does feel absolutely amazing. Look at that glow. Yes, if you want glow and you want plump, because that collagen is going to plump like no other. If that's your skincare vibe, this could be really good. So thank you to K-Secret. Nearly got the name wrong. K-Secret for sending this through. And I'm going to put that through its paces in the next couple of weeks as well and try. So one brand that I think needs no introduction because I'm always fangirling about them is Allies of Skin. Now they go down a slightly different route with their like PR packages. So you see from some of the others, it's very like elevated. These have some gimmick in there, which is nice, but also a bit much. Allies of Skin, just send it in a plain old box. I like that. I appreciate that. Let the products do the talking. And they've sent products here. They sent a really lovely note in there as well, which is this is the Peptides and Omegas Firming Eye Cream. This is probably the only product from Allies of Skin that I haven't tried. I'm pretty sure I haven't tried this one. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's see. Comes, where has it arrived? Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, that's different. How does this actually work? Oh, it comes with a pump with the thing, but that looks different. We like that. I won't look at the price. I have no idea what the price of that is. I won't look. I will before I mention it in any video, and once I work out my opinions on it. But yeah, let's see what these two are. So we've got the peptides and antioxidants firming daily treatment, and the multi-acids and retinol brightening sleeping facial. This, yes. Everything about this is amazing. I love it because if you've got if you want to get your retinoids and you just want to like resurface the skin and wake up with a gorgeous skin day, this multi-acids is great. I've used it probably for the last year and a half, so this is a great top up. So thank you to Alice Skin. This is the Peptides and Antioxidants Firming Daily Treatment, which I mentioned in a video maybe a couple of months ago. Again, one that I have used. So I've used both of these before, and I think they're a great pairing for morning and evening. But I think the real like exciting thing in this is this eye cream, which I'm looking forward to trying and kind of seeing. I know it's gonna. I haven't looked at the product. I know it's gonna be a higher price point than most of the eye creams I use. So I'm gonna be using it and thinking, am I getting more by paying more? We'll see. And you guys know I'll be honest with you on whether we do or not, and we'll see. So this one is from Dr. Sorry, there's another cat hair. I've unleashed the cat hair when I reached for that cloth. This is the Dr. Sam New Flawless Intense Moisturiser. So this is a gift. This is a PR package, but I actually bought this on launch because I was really excited about it. So bought it, and I'm using my own one that I've got. So I might actually give this one away to a friend that I know will appreciate it. But I have got, because I've got one already. This came with a power pack. That's new. Not seen that before, which is quite nice. It's monogrammed. That's quite cute. Power up your skin. I guess power pack, powering up your skin. I get that. Also going to be really convenient because I plan on doing a lot of video editing on the 8-hour flight when I go on my holiday. This will be a great like recharge your phone moment. So actually, I will definitely use it. I like that. So this is the Flawless Moisture Intense, which is their like elevated moisturizer, extra hydration, extra plumping, and there's some really, really good ingredients in here which you don't find in a lot of other skincare, which is why I purchased it before this even arrived, and love it. Fragrance-free, cruelty-free, great. The good thing about this is if you're someone with super acne-prone skin that's also dry, yes, we exist. You can have dry skin and acne at the same time. I know it baffles a lot of people think that's possible. It is. And if that's you, this could be your dream moisturizer. So it's been tested on a number of people with acne and blemish-prone skin, hasn't broken them out. But it delivers extra hydration, so it's a way of getting on top of the dryness without like exacerbating the breakouts you have. It's not the cheapest moisturiser, and maybe I expected it to be about £10 cheaper, if I'm totally honest. That's just my thoughts, if I'm totally honest. However, I still bought it because I thought in those cooler winter months when my skin is just as breakout prone but super dry, this could be a holy grail, and it's working out to be. So definitely I think that's its core market in my opinion, or if you've got super dry skin and you want to elevate things. I actually, before this even arrived, I mentioned in a video on like my favourite moisturisers, which I'll link up there. So that's if you want to see that in action. But yeah, really, normally I'd be like, really? You're sending a power pack out? Really? That's a bit wasteful. I'll actually use that. So that's really great. We now have, it's like they read my mind. We now have Good Molecules. So this is a box of Good Molecules goodies, who again reached out and said, what's your skin type? And we want to send products that kind of align to you, which I really appreciate. And they sent me all this. Now, if you're watching this from the UK, this is a gold mine because it's really hard to get Good Molecules here in the UK. You can now get them a little easier than you used to be able to. This is a gold mine of products that I've wanted to try. The Yerba Mate Eye Gel is a viral favourite on TikTok. We've got the Clarify Cream, which is a nice, gentle salicylic acid. We've got Niacinamide, which I'll give away because my skin doesn't like niacinamide. But it's got the Discoloration Correcting Serum, the sunscreen, cleanser, everything. This actually, I don't think there's a single product in here that's more than like £12 or £13, so it's really affordable. The packaging, look at this colour. You know, we're definitely like full-on sweater weather here in the UK, as you can see, full-on jumper going on. So anything that brings a bit of summer vibes, very much welcome. So yeah, what are your thoughts on Good Molecules? Are there any of these products that you want me to try out specifically, or should we just do a full Good Molecules review? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know your thoughts. I think of all of these, the eye cream is probably what I'm most excited to try because this is like viral for the 10th time over. Affordable. I want to know, does it smell? I know that sounds weird, but I always like to, see how these things like, oh, it's thick. She's thick on application. Maybe didn't expect it to be that thick, but it does spread nicely. It's got a citrusy scent to it, which honestly isn't too bad. I don't know if there's actually artificial fragrance in here. There isn't, so this is just from the botanical extracts in it, which is absolutely fine. Actually, that smells pleasant. It's thicker than I expected it to be. Maybe I'd use this on an evening. I think maybe I'd use this on an evening and maybe something more lightweight on the daytime. I don't know. Let me know if you tried that. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Now, finally, I've saved the best to last. Only because I've been... Let's show you this product. So this is the Groom? I don't know. Brightening facial cleanser. They also do shampoo bars and they do conditioner bars as well. I love to cut down on waste. I love anything that comes in cardboard packaging that's easy to recycle. I love like soap bars to take on holiday with me. Less leakage risk. And they work well for my particularly oily skin. This is their like oily skin friendly one. I love that. It's so simple and yet it's just going to do the job, which I appreciate. Easy to recycle packaging and their coconut scented shampoo bar, which I also got at the same time, I've been using and love. So if you're looking to cut down on packaging, Groom could be a great option. It's got activated charcoal in, and yeah, I'll try and link as much as I can below. I think if you're looking for a less plastic packaging option, soap bars and the shampoo bars are really, really good. So there you have it, guys. A whistle-stop tour of some bigger boxes that have arrived. I've got a lot of other stuff, so if you want a part 2 of this, let me know, and I'll quite happily film it. But what are your thoughts? Do you like unboxings? Do you avoid them? Let me know in the comment section below. Wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye!